good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. Guys, today we are talking about Canva and how you can really use Canva for your small business. I'm so excited about this one, so let's just get right into the video. Guys, there are so many things that you can use Canva for, and I think that people don't really understand the impact that it can have in your small business. So this video is going to be broken down into 3 parts. One is going to be creating products with Canva. One is going to be creating labels, packaging, tagging, that type of thing on Canva. And then the last part is going to be like branding and flyers and that type of thing. So I will make sure I link each subject down below in case you want to skip to the one that's most important to you. But I do want to show you guys that it's very possible to make your own products, accessories, and things for your business with Canva. So I made these cute little matches with my Cricut in an image that I made on Canva, if you can see it. And also I have gotten this packaging tape made for the candle business that I had, with making this image on Canva and then having it printed out with Sticker Mule. So I think what people don't understand is like the images and stuff that you can create on Canva, you can turn it into something else. So let's get into creating products with Canva. Don't forget to hit the link down below if you want to get signed up for Canva for free. There's a free version and there's a paid version. Just depends on what your needs are. But if you want to just get started for free, you're absolutely able to do that. And that's one of the things that I love about Canva, is because there's no obligation to pay for it. They allow you to use their services for free, and which is, to me, is amazing for a small business owner because you're not picking up another bill. So check that link down below and let's get right into it. When I say creating products on Canva, I mean something like this: taking the image and then using a secondary service to get it transferred into a product. It's very easy to do, something that anyone I think can do, especially with Canva and making products. So let's go into, I'm gonna show you a little bit more on the screen with Canva and how you can make products and how you can use this in your own business. So I'm on the Canva homepage and I want to do a t-shirt, something that a lot of people can relate with. So with a t-shirt is one of the things I want to show you guys how you can actually make a physical product through a design that you made on Canva. So I already went through and picked out this t-shirt because it's something that I think that you would see in like Urban Outfitters or in a retail store. Now this is not a Canva tutorial. There's a lot of people who can do that for you, but I'm just not, I don't think I'm the right person for that. So I'm gonna name this brand Nothing Brand because it's not a brand and it's nothing but for this video. But anyways, I just want to show you guys how easily that you could come up with a design on Canva and turn it into a physical product. And with t-shirts, is actually so cool because Canva has a built-in feature that you can do this, but you also can get your t-shirt made through a third-party service. So here's a t-shirt that I'm going to be using for the Nothing Brand. Literally right built in, Canva has an option where you can print the t-shirt. So you can see your mock-up right there on what the t-shirt is going to look like. You can actually add a front or a back, but for this example, I'm just going to do a front of a t-shirt. And then you can pick the style if you want a men's t-shirt, if you want a women's t-shirt, youth or toddler. I like how they changes the mock-up so you can see how it would look on each gender. So that is really cool. You can pick the sizing and literally you just hit how many t-shirts that you want and you check out. You get a discount once you buy a certain amount of t-shirts. So it's up to you if you want to just do it as you get orders or whatever the case is. And then you would literally just check out. I'm not going to do it because then it brings you to a different screen, but that is how easily that you can turn a design from Canva into a physical product. Now, if you do want to, there's tons of different templates that you can choose from. Like I'll just show you a few different ones. You can come up with your own ideas, but it's very simple to make a t-shirt or a physical product from a design that you made on Canva. So now let's go ahead and let's get this. We're going to close out of this and let's get this Life is So Good made into a t-shirt. Now it's going to add, well, it's going to add it as a different part, but you guys can see that you get what I'm talking about here. it's very easy to come up with a design and go directly from a design to a physical product, whether you do it through Canva or you save your design and then go through a third-party service to get your design printed, whether it's a t-shirt, a pillow, a blanket, whatever the case is. You can start on Canva with your design and then end up with a physical product. And that's one of the best parts about Canva. And I hope this helped you get your mind rolling on the things that you can do to actually make a physical product in Canva. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed how I showed you how you can kind of make your own products with Canva. Now let's talk about like branding and packaging and that type of thing that you can create on your own without having to pay someone hundreds or thousands of dollars for branding. Until you can afford it once you're no longer a small business. But anyways, so this is what I consider packaging. So this is like packaging tape that you would put on a box for a package. So this is an example of something that you can make within Canva and know the right services or the right secondary service to use to create these things. So like for instance, I made this on Canva and then I had this printed on Sticker Mule, which I'll leave a link down below for Sticker Mule because I really love their products and this tape is the bomb. So something as simple as packaging tape or something as simple as branding. So with the Candle brand, I cut these out with my Cricut, but with the Candle brand, I bought just some pink. These are how the matches came, just blank pink matches. And I was able to create an image on Canva to then cut it out on my Cricut to make matches. So let's get into how you can make branding, how you can use Canva for packaging and branding and to make your brand your business more cohesive, so that when someone looks at a package, they say, hey, I know that came from Akira because I know this pink and blue packaging. So let's get into that. Like I said, for the other items, you can definitely make packaging with Canva and it's super easy to do and actually super fun. So I'm just gonna type in cute because I like cutesy brands. I like when brands have like a cute vibe to them, and because I'm a woman, because I like pink, whatever the case is. And I'm just gonna find something like this. So this random graphic I think is really cute. I think it's something that will look really good on the outside of a package. Actually, this one's better because this one you can just put your website on here. So I'm gonna do akiradorsey.com just to show you guys how you can actually make something like this into a physical product. So whether you design your items or use like a template like I've shown you on these last few examples, is very easy to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and just download this to my desktop, and then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is bring you guys over to Sticker Mule and show you how I can get this made into a poly mailer. So like I'm saying, I'm not showing you a full tutorial on how to like create designs because there's a lot of people out there for you, but I want to show you how you can use those designs on something physical that's going to actually work for your business. So now that I have this cute background, I'm going to go ahead and make a poly mailer on Sticker Mule. So that's like a mailer that you can send out your items with, and a lot of people who follow me make products, so this would be a smart decision. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that cute file and go ahead and hit continue, and then it's cool because you can see exactly, I don't know, maybe they don't show you. Okay, I take it back. Let me find a site that I can actually show you the poly mailer, and then we'll go from there. So I went ahead and just threw my design in on Vistaprint so you guys could see an actual preview. So seeing something like this is where you can take your design from Canva and turn it into a physical product. And in this example, it would be custom packaging. Is so cool. So literally, if you go ahead and take a look at the preview, this is what my poly mailer would look like with the custom design that I made on Canva. It's so cool. You can actually even download a PDF proof. This takes a few minutes, but once the proof comes up, it'll be exactly what you see here. Is a mock-up of what your actually poly mailer will look like, which is completely customized and designed by you in Canva. And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to go from something like that, something like this, to something like that very simply. So I hope you enjoy this and get your mind going for you to make custom packaging. Again, you can make tapes and poly mailers and tons of other things, but this is something I just wanted to show you guys so that it can be an asset to your small business. Okay guys, so last but not least is like branding and flyers. So what I mean by branding and flyers, if you have an Instagram for your brand, you want to promote a sale, you can make an image that you're having a Labor Day sale, you're having a Memorial Day sale, you're having a Halloween sale, and then also flyers. So many companies, so many people use flyers, from party promoters, small business owners. I mean, just think about anytime you've seen an image promoting a business, that's what I consider a flyer. And with Canva, you don't even need to have a business for, let me take that back. What I'm trying to say is that you can making flyers and making that type of thing for other small businesses your actual business or your actual side hustle. Flyers, usually I think people pay around $50 to $100 per flyer. So think about if you have 5 clients a week that you're making flyers for, that could be between $250 to $500 by just making images on Canva. And there's whole businesses dedicated to this. If you want to learn more about making flyers as a business, definitely type in like flyer business or Canva tutorials and TikTok, and there's a wealth of knowledge there for so many people that do it. So let's get into, like, I'm going to show you how you can make flyers, what options you can use, and all that good stuff within Canva. Okay, by this part of the video, you should already know the deal. So I typed in party flyer in the search subject, and guys, look at all these flyers. Like, these are so dope, especially if you live in a place that like has a lot of parties, like Miami, Florida, New York, wherever. I mean, even if you're in a small town, you could make party flyers. You could be the go-to person for party flyers. I think this is so dope. And like, if you wanted, like, I can throw a picture of myself on here really quickly. Let me throw a picture of myself here. Boop, boop, boop. It could be like so-and-so's birthday, and you can make these flyers, which I think is so cool and so dope. You see these all the time, especially like with the rise of social media. Like, look, it's my pool party, just that easy. Look at me floating in the middle of the ocean. So something like this is so cool to make. And then if you want to only offer like the digital file so people can post it online, which most people do, that's great. If you actually want to print the flyers, like I said, right here with Canva, you can do that same thing like we did with the t-shirts. You can go in, 50 flyers are $36. It just depends on what you're needing, but that is such a cool option to have. And I just want to type in flyers one more time just so you guys can see like all the options that they have. So there can be like a back to school bash that someone needs a flyer for. I mean, there's tons of things, like opening up a new business, an art exhibit. Like, if you put yourself in a place to where you're the person who are selling flyers, you can make all these different type of flyers for all types of people. So this is a really great side hustle. And look at all these templates that are already here that you can just tweak and resell to people, because Canva allows you to do that with their designs. They're 100% eligible to be sold commercially. It's like in their fine print. I looked it up for you guys. So boom, that is great. Now I want to switch over to branding really quickly. And again, I'm just typing these keywords right into Canva because they have everything you need. Now, this is one of my personal favorites. When you are a small brand, your branding is very important, and it's hard to know how to brand yourself as a small business when you have to learn so much and do so much. So having these like built-in branding templates are so dope. So like, say you really love this branding, right? And like, you don't really have the money to really afford to get your own branding at this point. Boom, right here you have all the elements that you need to have a cohesive brand from now moving forward. And like, you can obviously go in and you can like change your color. Like, say you want to make a more cutesy branding, we could do like pinks and tans and all that kind of stuff, and it's so dope. Like, all you have to do is replace the oh, I actually did it. No, you have to replace the hex codes, which is like the exact number that you would put in. So like if you take this code right here, well, anyways, if you take the code, copy and paste it, that exact color will come up, and that's what, boom, see, the color that we just made. You type in the code there, it'll bring up the color, and that's pretty much anywhere, like social media, like Photoshop and all that kind of stuff. But this is such a great way and such a great kit to be able to brand your business, because sometimes you don't have a lot of money to spend on these things, and it's okay to borrow from things that I've already made. Like, honestly, I love this branding. Like, I think it's so dope, and I might even consider using one of these fonts for, you know, a little something that I got going on. But it is super cool. I just want to show you guys all the options that you have for branding, and what's good about this, and like what's important about the branding part is, like, now there's no questions. Like, okay, you know, you need to make a flyer for your brand. We just talked about flyers. Okay, boom, now you just go pull up your branding. You know that you're going to incorporate these 3 colors of your brand, and you're going to add the heart element that you put on all of your items. Now you have a cohesive branded piece of content, or piece of I don't know what exact word to call it, but you have a piece of literature or something that you can physically now put on your Instagram, put on your Facebook, put on your TikTok, that ties in with your brand, so people recognize that, yes, this is Akira's whatever. This is my something. This is my brand. It's Akira's brand. So guys, they have so many different options, all different types of brands. And if you are a person who wants to start offering branding services, these are really great templates to have to send over to your clients. You will obviously customize them for their needs, but these are dope. You could sell these on like Etsy as well. I see people do it all the time. They just repurpose these Canva branding and like resell them on Etsy. So you heard it here first. But I want to show you guys how you can use the flyers and the branding. Again, the flyers and the branding on Canva. And these look just like the party flyers that you see everywhere for those big, huge parties with celebrities and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this one. This is probably my favorite. I don't know why I saved it to last, but woo! Okay, guys, I know this was a long one. I know there was a ton of information, but I just really wanted to show you guys how you can use this free service to get all of these things done for your business with a little bit of creativity and a little bit of knowledge. Canva is almost like unlimited on what you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this kind of helped you see, even if you don't use the things that I talked to you about today, at least it can help you see what options you actually have with Canva and what you can create and what you can make. Don't forget the link down below so you can get signed up for free with Canva with a free 30-day trial, or you can just stay with the free. They have a completely free option that you can use as well. So just depends on what you want and what your needs are. As you can see how we went through, some of the pro options are only available if you pay for Canva, but still there's tons and tons of options within the free version that I think you guys could use for your business as well. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below what you would make with Canva or what you think about this video, and I will see you in the next one.